Hello friends, welcome. In this video tutorial, I'm about to show you how to create your own flashlight or torchlight application in your Android devices. For that, you need to download an application named Apk Builder from the Play Store. So, go to the Play Store and search for Apk Builder. Here, the first applications with the blue icon, just download and install it. Since I have already downloaded and installed it, I'll just open the application. Okay. Here we can see that there is a new project button. Click on that. Now we need to name the application, so I'll just name it as our torch. Now click on the next button. In this activity, just scroll the bar and click on that flashlight and click on that next. Now hit the finish button. Now the source code are already available here, so we'll just change the icon of the application. For that, go to the rest folder and then go to the map folder, and in the bottom we can see that in the left side there is a plus button. Just click on that and import. Click on import. Here I'll just import the torch.png. Okay, now go back. Once again go back, and in the Android manifest.xml, click on that. Yeah, we can see that in Android icon @map IC underscore launcher, just change that IC launcher to what you have. Keep the icon name, so I have named it as torch, so I'll name it as torch. Now save. Okay, now go to the back. Now hit on the build button. Now the source code is compiling. It will take few seconds and you are ready to go. Okay, now hit the install application and install it. Okay, done. Now go to your back and go to the menu and search for our torch. Here, the first one. Okay, now when you press the button, and the icon turns blue and the flashlight will turn on, and when you click it again, the flashlight will be gone and the icon will be black. Well, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll be posting more and more videos in upcoming days like this. Thank you.